Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make a picture video using LightMV. To start, go to your web browser and visit LightMV's website. Then select a template that you want to use on your video. Next, upload your photo or video by clicking the plus sign button. Once added, you can edit the captions and add filters on each pictures. After that, click the purchase button to create a video, then wait for it to be processed. Once processed, click the download button to save the video on your computer. And that's how you make a picture video using LightMV. Thank you for watching.